New year, same you. Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and I am here to show you how to use what you have to make what you want, and I have tons of fab-free tips, tricks, hacks, and tutorials coming right at you in 2026. But before we dive into all of the new stuff, I want to share with you and take a look back through all the things that I did to help keep refashioning alive in 2025. In January, of course, I had to share my 2024 recap, what I got for Thriftmas. We replaced a zipper in jeans. I did some ASMR comedy, upsized a sweatshirt, shared a whole bunch of DIY decor ideas, made a bag, and of course, I released my awesome guide to a fabulous upcycled outerwear book. In February, I shared how to successfully clean Uggs at home, 3 groovy Galentine's upsizes, my free vintage furniture, and a few fab upcycled storage solutions. In March, we tested out a very vintage hairdryer, copied a Drew Barrymore style, did a few St. Patrick's Day refashions, more DIY storage, and a decade of denim DIYs. April was all about perimenopause, refashioning vintage, a whole bunch of awesome tablecloth makes, upcycled Easter baskets, and a load of DIY bags too. May began with a salute to Star Wars Day, the start of my live streams, a whole bunch of cool refashion shirts, easy home hacks and DIY sweatshirts, and curvy girl makes. June was an amazing month devoted to DIY sleeves, upsizing your clothes, downsizing your clothes, and mending your clothes. In July, we did a bunch of no-sew refashions, transformed our t-shirts, copied Kathy Griffin's style, and refashioned some vintage too. The heat of August brought with it summer refashions, a whole bunch of upcycled textiles, belt flips and fixes, DIY skirts, and a revisit of my original 30 Days of Refashions from 2022 in preparation for my brand new 30 Days of Refashions to celebrate my birthday month of September. I shared everything from no-sew hacks to easy sewing hacks, vintage furniture fixes, DIY decor. We upstyled my kiddo's bedroom, and I celebrated my birthday with you during a groovy live stream. Thank you so much for everybody who celebrated with me, by the way. And of course, tons and tons of rockin' Refashionista tutorials to upcycle just about everything that you own. October was all about upcycled fall fashion and, of course, spooky season, bringing with it amazing costume upcycles makeup and my fab Forky Krueger. November was chilly, so we made some super cozy gear and recreated an expensive bag for free. December saw super sweater weather projects and a whole bunch of happy holiday style. And that is a wrap on the 93 full-length tutorial videos, plus 486 YouTube shorts and countless posts and everything else that I have shared on my Confessions of a Refashionista channel for 2025. We can now dive in, brand new, fresh for 2026 with a new year, but the same you and my same rockin' Refashionista energy every single week. So be sure to subscribe so I can continue showing you how to use what you have to make what you want. And if you want to go even deeper, I invite you to join my wardrobe revolution. Link will be down below. It's over at refashionistasherry.com, along with every single other thing that I do over there. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. For just 99 cents a month, you can help save a struggling refashionista. For just 99 cents a month, you can help sustain the much-needed work that goes on behind the scenes. Every thrift flip, every DIY, every upcycle, every free tutorial can only continue with your support. Join my Refashionista crew for only 99 cents a month, less than the cost of 2 bananas or a pack of gum. and help me continue teaching anyone who wants to learn how to use what they have to make what they want. Don't let affordable, sustainable DIY style become an endangered species. Join my Refashionista crew today.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.